Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is going to be the last video of our meeting today. It's about consolidation following an interim acquisition. Konsolidasi setelah akuisisi interim. So I'm pretty sure that everyone should be know, right? So what the interim means. So the situation when the company purchase another company's common stock, right? So subsidiaries is being as part of consolidated entity. Ya, jadi ketika misalnya suatu perusahaan membeli saham biasa perusahaan lain nih, nah anak perusahaan itu dianggap merupakan bagian dari si entitas konsolidasi sejak saham itu diakuisisi, gitu kan? Nah, jadi pada saat anak perusahaan itu dibeli selama periode fiskal itu bukan pada awal atau akhir periode. Nah, hasil operasi anak perusahaan yang dimasukkan itu ke dalam laporan keuangan itu hanya bagian dari tahun ketika saham itu dimiliki oleh induk perusahaan. Gitu ya. Jadi ada subsidiaries revenue, expenses, gains and losses for the portion of the fiscal period prior to the time in which a parent acquired controlling financial interest. Jadi tadi dikatakan ada revenue, kemudian itu bagian dari periode awal fiskal untuk waktu di mana induk perusahaan itu dia mengakuisisi saham pengendali dalam anak perusahaan. Nah, itu harus dipisahkan dalam laporan keuangan konsolidasian. Nah, to better understand the consolidation, jadi untuk teman-teman bisa lebih mengerti lagi, let's have a look at the illustration. So, on this part, assume that on July 1st, PLS product purchases 80% of special food common stock for the underlying book value of this amount, 246,400. At the time of acquisition, the 61,600 fair value special food non-controlling interest is equal to its book value. Special foods common stock and retained earning balance 200 into 100. So this is actually the common information that we got as before, right? So for the first year, so okay, so the special food report the following item. Okay, so there is a sales before the combination 80,000, but after the combination it becomes 120,000, right? So probably we can just check this one too. So this is one that more or less the same as the one that we do before, right? Okay, so this one, so sales. Okay, so this is a detail, all right? And cost of goods sold, if this amount, and after the combination is like this, become like this. Okay, so the dividend declared 30,000. And it also been known that the book value of special foods that acquire on the July 1st. So we know the common stock and written earning is 200 and 100 respectively, right? So the net income January 1 to June 30, right? So the net income January 1 to June 30 is 20,000. Okay, and dividend is in the amount of 12,000. Okay, this is the value of the special food. And how about the PLS ownership interest? So the ownership interest is actually 80%, so we times with the 0.80. Okay, so the ownership situation is PLS acquire 80% of their subsidiaries common stock, right? So the rest of it will be goes to non-controlling interest, and the fair value is 246,400. And the fair value of the non-controlling interest is 61,600. Right, so it's also book value. Book value of 200 and retained earning, it's 108,000. So there is no difference still at this part. Okay. Right, so how about the interest? So to record the purchase of special food stock, so for we investment in special food stock, cash, 246,400. Right. So the next one is the payers record the income, right? So times with the 80%, and also dividend times with the 80%. Right, so this is going to be the last part. So this is talk about the consolidation worksheet. So for this consolidation worksheet is actually, you know, will be give the figure how to the interim acquisition of subsidiaries company during the first year. So this is the one that actually we've been taught this one, all right? Worksheet. Okay. Now, right, so okay, so figure 4545. So which one is it? Just found it. Five. Which one is this one? Ah, probably here. Okay, so which one is it? Okay, so this is the pre-acquisition income and dividends consolidation entry. So in the acquisition year, prior to preparing the basic elimination entry, we include the additional consolidation entry to close out the income and dividend from the first half of the year to return earning. Right. So for example, we got the sales, cost of goods sold, depreciation expense, other expense, differently clear and return earning. And after making this worksheet entry, so this will be closed to the pre-acquisition earning. All right, so this is the one that like usual with it. So this is book value calculation, and it will become to basic consolidation entry. To test it, you can do the T account illustration, and goes to the optional entry for the accumulated depreciation of the building is 308,000. Okay. So it come from the ending balance 320 minus 12,000 depreciation expense. Okay. So don't forget to check this one out. So this amount has been come from this part, right? This one also. Like the cells in here. So this, comes from this one. Jadi lihat aja nih beda warnanya. Ya, jadi teman-teman nanti bisa lihat, you can identify ini dari mana, gitu nilainya ya. Gitu. Nah, now let's move to okay, so this is actually gotta be the last part of this meeting. So the consolidated income statement prepared for the year of interim acquisition reflect the inclusion of special food in consolidated entity only from July 1. Jadi laporan laba rugi konsolidasian ini yang dibuat untuk tahun itu dari akuisisi interim itu dia mencerminkan adanya keterlibatan si anak nih di entitas konsolidasian. Hanya dari 1 Juli gitu. Itu pada tanggal dia mengakuisisi kan. Nah, seluruh pendapatan beban dari PT anak ini sebelum tanggal akuisisi itu tidak dimasukkan. Jadi laporan itu akan seperti ini nanti. Oke. Gross margin, GAAP expenses, total expense. Nah, kemudian ini ada juga income attributable to controlling. Nah, laba bersih konsolidasi ini dia punya prosedur yang sama seperti yang kita diilustrasikan seolah-olah ini pembukuan PT anak setelah dia menutup ditutup gitu ya sesaat sebelum kombinasi bisnis. Dan periode fiskal baru lagi yang dimulai pada tanggal kombinasi bisnis nantinya. Alright, so I think that's enough for our discussion today. So let's continue next week for consolidation income tax issue. Right, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.